Switching the FaceTime camera lets you toggle between the front and rear cameras during a video call, which is perfect for showing your surroundings or any objects to the person on the other end. This handy feature is great for sharing experiences or just giving a glimpse of your environment. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to easily flip the FaceTime camera on your iPhone. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Check camera access for FaceTime. Start by opening your settings. Next, scroll down until you find Privacy and Security and tap on it. Then, select Camera. Make sure the toggle for FaceTime is turned on. Solution 2. Turn off camera restrictions for FaceTime. Open Settings on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Scroll down again and select Content and Privacy Restrictions. If prompted, tap Enter your screen time passcode. Tap on Allowed Apps. Ensure that both FaceTime and Messages are toggled on. Solution 3. Restart FaceTime. First, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to bring up the app switcher. After that, swipe up on the FaceTime app to close it. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. Then scroll down and tap FaceTime. Turn off FaceTime for about 10 seconds. Now turn it back on. After that, restart your iPhone. Once your iPhone is back on, reopen FaceTime and check if the camera is working. Solution 4. Update iOS. Begin by opening Settings. Then, scroll down and tap on General. Next, select Software Update. If there's an update available, tap Download and Install to update your iPhone. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open Settings once more. Scroll down and tap on General. After that, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset and then select Reset All Settings. Confirm your choice. By following the steps, you can easily flip the FaceTime camera on your iPhone and utilize the rear camera during your video calls. If this guide was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and stay tuned for the next video.